Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, go get him.
Good morning. Heading down another hog hunt. It's going to be a pretty fun day today. I think we're going to a different area, so hopefully we'll get you guys some different scenery to see at least. Try to get on some hogs. Try to get the dogs on some hogs and see what happens. Stick around, hit the like, subscribe, and a little bell icon on the bottom so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Comment below, even the negative ones. Try to respond to all that I can. Viewer discretion advice, disclaimer. If you're not into this kind of thing and you don't want to see hogs getting killed, then you should probably click off. But if you do have to watch it and leave a negative comment, it's a free country. I'll still respond. See ya.
What you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing?
Like Rob Moreno's got the collars.
Yeah, did he come see? Get a little better.
He's getting a lot better. You better be ready. We get that hog now. He might be pretty good size.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one. These are big.
Yeah, well, it was right through here.
Yeah, he got here. No, he was up here like this water.
Come on, Jesse. Yeah, he was he was multicolored one.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Quiet! Hold on, man.
That was a big pig. I don't know where his tracks are at.
In the water, this side of the water.
He was on this trail right here going towards the water.
Hold on, Dan's got gear out there now.
Right here. Is this him?
Kevin. Yeah.
Get that four-wheeler turned around. Let's get that bulldog ready to go. We're on it, man.
Oh, you throw you around here?
Yeah. I wonder if Jesse's been working him for a long time.
I would say, yeah, he brought him out.
That's awesome.
Stumbled across him, brought him out. Who knows? It don't matter now. Yeah,
he was excited too. He was up on his feet. He was up on his hind legs, sniffing.
I'm glad he rang for that.
Shoot. Me too.
I gotta get him in a pair of boots. My boots I normally wear. I went to put them off last time we got home and the soles come off of them.
Really?
See that ring I told you?
Yeah, I see that. So we're sitting there talking, just waiting for our dogs to come back. Turn around and Jordan's like, there's a big pig right there. Turns out that Jesse has been tracking this hog for the last 45 minutes. That's what I like to see.
Yeah.
Is it on?
Not that one. You can turn that one on real quick if you want me to. Just, yeah, we ain't got time for it. We'll turn it on over here.
Hang on. He's big, but I can't swim, y'all. Literally, I can't swim.
Oh, this is deep.
Yeah.
What? I'm gonna have to clean my gun when I get done. What? You brought your phone? It's not deep. Hey, it's about belly button deep. Careful, Jordan. You gotta see how deep it is. Unless you want to swim. Where's he going? Ready? All right, go get him. All right, go get him. Grab him, George. Get him, George. Watch out for the dog. He's got a thick hide. There you go. All right, watch out for that knife.
Pull out of
Here, take that.
Pull out some You're not going to?
He's just got a thick hide. He's done. He's dead. Got home! Got home! I don't know. What? I don't know what he's got. Fix that GoPro.
Pull him out.
All right. Woo! That's how it's done. That's a big hog. Good boy.
Oh god, one of the dogs got cut. Dallas got
Where?
cut.
Dallas got cut? All right, take him. Take him.
You want me to take him?
Yeah, I gotta check Dallas. Come here, Dallas. Dallas. Oh yeah, he's cut good.
Yeah, you gotta hurry.
Come on. Come on. Off. Yeah, back. All right, so that was it. That was the hunt for the day. That was a pretty awesome hog hunt. Had to swim the Withlacoochee. Me and Jord had to go over there, and that was a big pig. That was pretty fun. Jesse did awesome again today. He was able to track his own hog for a little while. We had a couple dogs get cut up a little bit. We're gonna take them back, get them fixed up, and get them ready for next time. But they were all champs today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and click that little bell icon and see the next go around. All right, see ya.